Okay, welcome to another BCHS Media Class Premiere Video Tutorial. Basic editing. Way I like to do it is just over here you find your footage, you double click it, it's going to open up in the preview window. So from here you can use these guys and you can preview the footage. And when you find the spot that you really like, you hit an I on the keyboard. You see that starts a little endpoint. That tells you where you want to start using the footage. Then you go to where you want the out and you hit the O, which is out. If you look down here, you'll also see that you can do it there too. So let's say I like it here, I can go in, go to here, I like the out. You know, I'm going to review it, see exactly what I want to use. And that's it. So when I'm ready for that, then I grab the footage and I drag it down to the timeline, and I want to make sure that I pick one of the video slots, see, and there's my footage. So then it's on here. This is the program that shows you what's in the timeline. So then when you hit play, so you can see the little red line goes and you know where you are at. So if let's say I want to take another piece of footage. Now watch what happens. See what happens if I'm not on the correct video line. It's going to go up here and it's going to start shoving audio down below, which can be fine if that's what you want to do, if you want to overlap the footage for some reason. But be aware of that as you go. Then the other thing is, go down here and you can zoom in so you can see everything a lot closer. And then to trim on the timeline, if you look, you see that this turns into a little red bracket and you can drag it like that, and then you grab this and you drag it that way, or you put this here and you hit control and it says ripple delete, and that means you will be deleting the empty space. Now keep in mind these tools on here only work up here. You got to make sure that you're in this tool, because there's these other tools that do other things. You can experiment with those and figure out what they do, but the important part is the selection tool, which is over here on the very end. And now you can assemble and pull in footage as much as you want. If you want to do a new title, oops, default still, you say OK, because it'll just use whatever the presets are. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you the background wherever that is sitting. So let's say you want to put a title there, then you select whatever your formatting is down here, you put it in here, like that, and then all you got to do is close it up and it saves it. And it will put it in your bins over here, so then now you can do your title. And you drag it down to the video, let's say video 2 right now, and you look, see, there it is. It will want to render this before it's visible, but now you've got it in the timeline. And if you need to render it, then you can render entire work area. And see, now it's going to churn through all of this stuff.